In a small town in Nepal, there was a boy named Sujan. His father was a taxi driver. His mother ran a small tea stall. They worked hard, just to make ends meet. Sujan studied at a local college, not a famous one. But he had big dreams. He didn't want to leave the country. He didn't want to be a coder. He wanted to work with data, but everyone laughed. Who becomes a data analyst from a small town? You need a degree from abroad, but Sujan didn't stop. Every night after college and part-time work, he studied online, free YouTube tutorials, Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python. He downloaded datasets, practiced dashboards, failed, tried again. Slowly his skills grew. He created a LinkedIn account, shared what he built. At first, no one noticed. Then, someone did. A recruiter from a company in Kathmandu saw his dashboard. "Are you available for an interview?" Sujan froze. He had never even traveled far from his hometown. But he said yes. He took a bus overnight, dressed in his best shirt, nervous, but confident. He talked about data cleaning, KPIs, storytelling with visuals. The interviewer smiled. "You're hired," Sujan called his mother in tears. Today, Sujan is a data analyst at a top tech company. He works from home. He supports his parents. And every weekend, he teaches others online for free. Because no degree, no background, no fancy city is needed to become a data analyst. Just internet curiosity, consistency. So if you're watching this and wondering if you can become a data analyst too, yes, you can. Your journey starts today.